This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Meg Mendoza. Take a step back in time in this beautiful 1922 Old Florida Craftsman style home, just steps away from Little Lake Conway and the boat access ramp. Situated on a quiet dead-end street, this home is surrounded by gardens and trees, exudes charm while also offering many modern touches. Original hardwood floors greet you as you enter the parlor and extend throughout the home. The living room, with the original wood-burning fireplace and built-in cabinets, is large, yet cozy. The dining room, just off the parlor, showcases coffered ceilings. Original fixtures grace much of the home, including several of the light fixtures. The kitchen has been completely remodeled, with quartz countertops, pendant lighting, counter-to-ceiling white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, induction range, farmhouse sink, pull-out cabinetry with electric connections, enclosed trash bins and wood beams highlighting the beadboard paneled ceiling. The detail, in keeping with the historical character, includes matching glass pulls and waved glass cabinetry. The service door from the driveway to the kitchen makes for an easy drop-off for groceries. The sunroom, complete with a sparkling chandelier, dry bar and wine frig, is the perfect spot for morning coffee, while looking out to the pavered patio and lush landscaping. Also situated on the first floor is the primary bedroom, with an adjoining half bath and full bath just outside the door and a second bedroom with full bathroom, which includes a clawfoot tub. The loft and additional bedrooms on the second floor are perfect for a growing family. The smaller two are perfect for an office and/or play area. Spend the evening under the stars on the large patio surrounded by greenery. There's also plenty of room to add a pool. The detached two-car garage, added in the 1980s, has a workshop and a large storage area in the attic area. Upgrades include exterior of the home, Dutch lap siding, southern yellow pine, added in 2019, roof, December 2020, septic, double tank, July 2021, air conditioner, 2011, plumbing updated, 2019, electrical updated, 2019, tankless water heater, 2020. If frame width equals 853, height equals 480, SRC equals https://my.matterport.com/show/?m equals QNXBQC and MLS equals 1, frame border equals 0, allow full screen, allow equals or spatial tracking /a frame. For more information, review the details below or contact Meg Mendoza at 407-406-5300.